As a Christian, ganito po ang damang paniniwala. Kasi tayo po ay naligtas hindi dahil sa gawa. Sabi ng sulat ni Pablo sa Efeso, we are not saved by works, but by grace, through faith in Jesus Christ. What is the purpose? Sabi ni Paul, so that none of us can boast. Para wala daw po sa ating makapagyayabang sa Diyos, that you deserve salvation because you have done great things. That's the point. Kaya ang kaligtasan po na tinuturo ng Bible is not through works, but through faith in Jesus Christ. Amen. So paano po naligtas ang tao? Sa pamamagitan ng pananalig kay Kristo. Sinabi ni Jesus sa John 14 that I am the way. The word that is very powerful is the word the. Meaning there is no alternative. Sabi niya, I am the way, the truth, the life. So apart from Him, there is no way, there is no truth, there is no life. And He makes it more powerful when He said, no man can come to the Father except through me. Very strong. Amen? Walang makapupunta sa Ama kung hindi sa pamamagitan ko. So it's not religion, but it is Jesus that will save you.